Drum Shell Christmas. They got their own branded packing tape. That's what excites me the most.
Yeah. These are going to be toms for Chris Roberts, right? Ooh, lovely.
So it's a 17 by 17 for hoop stock. For shells, we got a 12 by 12, 14 by 14, 16, 16, 26 by 20. And then we got 2 hoops for the 26-inch. Most of these are for orders on the board. The hoop stock was added because if we're buying a box and paying for shipping, we're just going to nest as much as possible. So beginning of day plan, trim that edge, trim that edge, get this second re-ring in. While he's doing that, I'm going to sand back on this drum, sand back on this drum, wet sand this drum. Then we will regroup. This was brought in during the week, a DIY build. Glued up staves. I think it's reclaimed, probably feels like a pine of some sort, fir. Black Swamp hardware. He made his own router mill. I'd be interested in seeing that setup. He says it doesn't sound that great, and it's probably just the beds. So a little bit of flattening and reworking. We'll see what happens.
Do you have another set of jaws for this truck?
Yes, I do, actually. Maybe if we grab it from the outside.
Well, yeah, because I don't think this will go up far enough. It might open up far enough to get it in here.
Bill's been cranking out shells and re-rings. These are the 2 toms for Chris Roberts. I've been making a week's project out of this bad boy because I always fear blowing through the finish. I think I'm good on it though. Gonna hit these with another coat of blue dye. That thing's ready for spray.
Yeah.
I know he's working on another shell back here.
Yeah.
Frame on this marimba needs to be fixed for Cambridge Symphony Orchestra. And Jim stopped by. He's in his alter ego Sparky. Tell by the backwards hat and the goggles. I got this baby all wet sanded and buffed.
Yep.
Nice and shiny. And see if Bill can not screw it up. So far not bad. Some kind of snare bed sled jig is on our list, but we haven't got there yet.
Yep. In the meantime, old-fashioned way.
That's a wrap. Nothing really completed. More stuff started. More stuff pushed along. Actually, quite a bit of progress.
Yeah, I mean, that's a lot of re-rings over there. Those toms, now that we finally have all the stuff, I mean, those should go fast. There's nothing unusual about those, you know?
Wrap, layout,
Yeah.
edges assembly. Guitar center drum just needs drilling,
Just drill and put it together.
custom badge, put it together. This would have been quick if we didn't have a blowout where there's a big knot and the router bit grabbed it and
Yeah, I mean, I saw that knot there, and I knew that there was a pretty good chance that the router was gonna tear it out, but, I mean, yeah, it had to get cut, so it was either gonna happen or it wasn't. But I was pretty sure that, you know, if it came out in one piece, I could just glue that piece back in and then, you know, secure it. And no, it did not come out.
it got Vitamixed.
I mean, when I've had that happen before, they have come out in a way that I could glue them back in, but not this time.
To be continued.